Hi guys, it's me Kunal from Bing Commerce. So guys, today in this video I will going to teach you how you can install WordPress on DigitalOcean. So it is very easy. So guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to please subscribe our channel, and guys also you can follow us on Facebook page where we have around 87,000 followers, and please you can also join it, and you can also join us on Instagram. Okay, so guys, now without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, I have created one PDF. Okay, so with the help of that PDF we can easily install WordPress. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to first download that PDF. In down in YouTube description box you will get the link to this PDF. This is the PDF which you need to download. Okay, so in this PDF I have shared a lots of screenshots, so with the help of these screenshots you can easily install WordPress in DigitalOcean. So go fast and download from description. So now guys, first of all, what you need to do, after you will download, you have to click here. Now when you will click here, you will go to our DigitalOcean website. Now then you have to sign up to create your account. After you will sign up, you will get a dashboard like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click on droplets, then you have to click on got it. So guys, when you will click on droplets, you will come with this interface and you will get on top a create option. So what you need to do, you need to click on it. When you will click on it, you have to click on droplets. Okay, so when you will click on droplets, it will look like this. Now you have to click on one click apps. Here you will see the option of a one click apps, you have to click there. Okay, then guys, you have to scroll down. When you will scroll down, you will see this WordPress on 16.04 option. You have to click there. Then you have to again scroll down. Then you will see the size. So guys, I will select first option. If you want to select another size option as per your requirement, you can go, but I will select first one to show you how this works as a demo. Okay, so I'm choosing first option. Now when you will scroll down, you will also get this data center region. So I will suggest you, wherever you are, you have to select the nearest to your location. Okay, suppose you are in India, so you should choose Bangalore. If you are in uh, means very much close to your location, so you can accordingly choose whatever close location you are with these centers. Okay, so now guys, then again scroll down, you will then see the create option, just click on it. Okay, when you will click on it, it will show like this, that WordPress, as we this WordPress and this will show some interface like this. Okay, now it will take some time to complete the process, you need to wait for some time. Then when it is done, it will show your IP address. Okay, so now guys, when you will hover over to IP address, you will see there a copy option. You simply have to copy that, and you have to open a new tab and paste that copy address here and hit enter. You will see a interface like this. Okay, so this shows that our WordPress is not yet installed. So now what we have to do, we need to install our WordPress. So to install WordPress, we again have to go to our DigitalOcean dashboard. Okay, so when you will go to the DigitalOcean dashboard, here guys, means this here, this, okay, here WordPress and this code is written, you have to click on here. So what I will do, I will click on here. So when you will click, a new interface will open and it will say you your droplet has been created. Now guys, when you will see this, you will get here a option of console. So what you need to do, you need to right click on the console. Okay, then this black sheet will pop out. Now guys, you can see when this black sheet will pop out here, it will show login. Okay, so now guys, what we have to do, we need to type here root. Okay, then hit enter. Then it will ask you for password. Now to get password, what we need to do, we need to open our email box. So because DigitalOcean has sent you an email where they have put the password, so from there we have to copy the password and paste it here. So go to your email address, like I have gone with my email address, and there in inbox they have sent me an email where they have given me username and password. So what you need to do, you need to simply copy the password and paste it here, or you can simply type manually every of the password. Okay, whatever the password you have, you can simply manually type it here. And when you will paste the password, so guys remember, when you will paste the password, that password will be hidden. So do not worry, just paste it, it will be invisible. Means guys, when you will put your password, or when you will type your password now, it will be hidden or it will be invisible. So don't worry, it is by default system that whenever you type password, it will be invisible. So don't get worry, just type your password carefully. Okay, now guys, it will again ask you to retype the password from your email. Okay, again you have to put the same password which they have given you in their in your email. Okay, then when you will do that, they will ask you to create your new password. So what you need to do, you need to create your new password. And guys, just remember, put the password very carefully and remember this password, or write your password somewhere. Okay, so that you don't get forget. Okay, so now when you will type your new password, it will tell you to retype the new password. So again you have to type the password which you have created here. Now guys, it will show you like this. Okay, this it will automatically show you like this. When you will put the new password and hit enter, it will automatically show like this. Now your WordPress is enabled. Now your WordPress is totally enabled. Okay, now guys, here, that means wait, here I have showed you that I have told you that copy the IP address. Okay, in earlier process I have told you that uh, you have to copy this IP address, and what you have to do, you need to paste that in new, paste that IP address in new tab. Okay, so you was seeing the no WordPress. Okay, you was seeing the interface like this. But now guys, when you will that means when you will enter your password. Okay, it will show you like this. And when you will refresh that tab which you had opened early, so when you will refresh that tab, you will see that WordPress interface like this. So what you need to do, you need to put your site title, username, password, your email. And I will prefer that your email must be same as you signed up with the DigitalOcean. Means whatever email you have used to sign up in DigitalOcean, you have to put that same email here. And now here down you will see this untick discourage search engine. So you just do not need to do anything, just keep it as it is. Okay, now when you will do this, you need to click on install WordPress, and then it will show you like this. Then click on login, then you will be entered into your WordPress dashboard. So now guys, we have successfully installed our WordPress in our DigitalOcean. So guys, now you can see our domain is still not connected. It is showing our IP address, but what we need to do, we need to put our domain here, domain. So now we have to connect our domain to our this WordPress website. So to do that, what you need to do, you need to assign your domain to this website. So guys, I would prefer, if you don't have your domain, you need to purchase it. Okay, so to purchase, you can watch this uh, my video on iButton, that will teach you how you can buy domain from GoDaddy. Okay, so I am assuming that you already have a domain. So now guys, what you need to do, you need to go to your GoDaddy. Then sub wait, let me show you it practically. Just go to GoDaddy, hit enter here, GoDaddy, click on GoDaddy website. Okay, Now you are in your GoDaddy website. Now here you will see my product option. Just click here. And guys, when you will purchase all the domains, it will show up here. So uh, I suppose this is my domain, so I will go to DNS, and when I will go to DNS, it will show a option of name servers. You can see it will showing me a option of name servers. So guys, we have to use this name servers. I will tell you in future what to do with this name servers, but now you have learned how to locate the name servers of your domain. Okay, so now this is what it is shown in PDF. To find your name servers, what you have to do, you need to go to your DNS, your domain, and click on that domain DNS. Then you will see the name server option. So guys, you have to click on change. Then you will get default or custom option. You need to change to custom option. So now guys, after changing to custom option, you again have to go to your DigitalOcean dashboard and click on networking. You will see the networking option here. You just have to click there. When you will click on networking, you will get an option there where they will ask you to put your domain. So guys, whatever domain you have, suppose in my wait let me go back. Suppose these are my domains. Okay, so you will also have your own domain. So what you need to do, whatever domain you want to connect with that DigitalOcean WordPress website, you need to copy that domain from here. Just simply copy that domain or paste it here under enter domain option. Okay, so you can put your own domain here. Now after you will put the domain, click on add domain. When you will click on add domain guys, it will show you interface like this. So now guys, what we need to do, we need to paste these codes. You can see value this 1, 2 and 3. These codes we need to post at our name server. So suppose this is my domain and I will click on DNS. Wait, come on, just be fast. So now guys, what we need to do, we need to put those codes here. Okay, in our name server we just simply need to copy and paste. Suppose you will copy this like I have shown in PDF. You first have to copy the first value. When you will copy it, you simply need to post to your GoDaddy server. Suppose you have copied here, and what you need to do, you need to simply paste here. So, okay, so again you have to do the same procedure. Again you have to copy the second one. Again you have to paste it in your GoDaddy second one here. Okay, now guys, you need to click on add new servers. Like I click on add new servers, it will again open one more option. So what we need to do, we need to copy the third one, copy it, and you have to paste that here. Okay, in third one. Okay, but I don't need it now. But if you will install this WordPress, you may need to add the name server. So like this PDF, you have to follow all the procedures. It will help you a lot. So paste the third this value in your name servers and save it. When you will do it, your domain is assigned with your site. Okay, so you simply need to wait for some minutes, or maximum you have to wait for 24 hours. So it depends. Okay, but generally it happens in minutes, but in some rare cases you have to wait for 24 hours. So just wait, and when it is done, it will show like this. That means we have successfully assigned domain to our site. Means we have successfully connected our that WordPress which we have installed on DigitalOcean. We have connected that WordPress website with our domain. Simple. Okay, so we are succeed. So now guys, again what you have to do, you have to go to DigitalOcean dash. Again you have to go to DigitalOcean dashboard. Now guys, in above this value, value means where you have copied now these values, where you have copied the all values, you will get this option, host host name will direct to TLS, and this create record. Okay, now you have to work with this. So same, when it is done, you are assigned. Now what you need to do, you need to type under host name at the rate and select the droplets which you have created now, and then create record, means click on create record. Okay, when you will do that, we have successfully assigned our domain with our website. All done. Now last process is that how you can install or put SSL certificate to your website. So it is again a very easy method. What you need to do, you need to simply click here. It will take you to one blog. So now guys, in this blog you will get lots of code. Okay, this code, simply you need to copy these codes, and you need to put those command, means these commands, these are the commands you simply need to copy one by one and put in the black script. Okay, this black script. Now guys, see, you have see the last, when we have successfully enabled our WordPress, so here we have stopped. Okay, so we have to continue it from here. So what we need to do, we need to simply copy this code. Simply you need to copy this code and put it here after slash. Okay, so I have done it in PDF also. I will show you here. See what I did. After hashtag I have put this first command. Okay, this first command I have also have a screenshot here. I have typed those command here. So after that you will get, and they will say you to and press enter, then you need to press enter. Okay, then you will enter. Then guys, again it will stop to hash. Then you have to copy this second command. I have also taken a screenshot. What you need to do, you need to put that or type that command after hash, and again you have to type it, and again you have to wait. Then it will install the package. So you most probably have to wait for some minutes. Then after that it will you have to type the third command, which you have to copy from here, and simply you have to paste here. Okay, simple, very simple. Now guys, it will ask to do you want to continue. So guys, here you have to write, type, you have to simply type y. Okay, when you will type y, it will again asks you like this. It will stop to this hash. Okay, it will stop, automatically stop to hash. Now guys, you have to put this command here, like I have shown down here as an example. See, till hash everything is same. What you need to do, you need to copy from sudo to d, sudo to d, like I have did sudo to d, I have copied. So same you have to type it here also after hash. And then d, you have to put your domain. So replace your domain with your domain and put the copy the whole command and put it here. Okay, simple, like I did it here. When you will do that, you will, they will going to ask you for email address. So okay, so you have to put the email address, and I will prefer whatever email address you have signed up for DigitalOcean, I will prefer you to put that same email address. Okay, like I did. Now guys, when you will put email address, they will give you an option like this, agree or cancel. You simply have to type a there and hit enter, and then again they will ask you for an option yes or no. Then you have to type there y and hit enter. And guys, then they will tell you to wait for verification, like here shown in PDF. You have to wait for some minutes. Then you are all done. Then last thing you need to do, they will ask you something, select the appropriate number 122, then enter, press C to cancel. So yeah, so what you need to do, you need to put 2, you need to type 2 at the end here and hit enter. When you will do that, your SSL is successfully installed in your WordPress website. So now guys, when you will go to your WordPress dashboard, you will go to the setting option, then click on generals. Then guys, you will see the general settings. So now you have to put HTTPS, okay, in the place of HTTP. Means, see here, WordPress address is HTTP. So, and here site address is HTTP. So now you have to put HTTPS. Now you have to add S at end of P. Okay, so like I did it here, WordPress address HTTPS Now here also I have put https. Okay, so you have to put s at the end after p. Okay, now guys, you can see IP address here, a number. So in the place of number you have to put your domain name. So like I have did, after https, in the place of number I have replaced it with my domain. So once you will do that, you will scroll down and click on save changes. When you will click on save changes, it will redirect you to this page and it will show like this. Then you have to click on advance, then you have to click on proceed, then you have, then when you will click on proceed guys, it will redirect you to this website, and now you can see your website is secured with SSL. Now you again have to log in with your credentials. Now guys, you can even put your domain to the new tab and open it. You will see that your site is successfully secured with DigitalOcean and your website is successfully ready to run. Okay, so guys, we have successfully told you how you can successfully install your WordPress website in DigitalOcean. So it is very easy. What you need to do is simply follow this PDF. You will get down in description box a link to download this PDF. Just download this PDF from there. So guys, for now it's okay. Even if you want to, and one more thing guys, if you want to watch this same video in Hindi, you can also click on above I button to watch the video in Hindi. Okay, so guys, I have to go. Chalo, bye.